Konbawa! Today is the 6th of April. I'll be presenting our assignment. The topics will be months of the year, days of the week, days of the month. Let's start. Let's begin with the months of the year. Ichigatsu, Nigatsu, Sangatsu, Shigatsu, Gogatsu, Rokogatsu, Shichigatsu, Hachigatsu, Kugatsu, Jugatsu, Juichigatsu, Junigatsu. Then, days of the week. Nichiyobi, Getsuyobi, Kaiyobi, Suyobi, Mokuyobi, Kinyobi, Doyobi. Lastly will be the days of the month. Suitachi, Futsuka, Mika, Yoka, Itsuka, Muika, Nanoka, Yoka, Kokonoka, Toka. Juichi Nichi, Juni Nichi, Jusan Nichi, Juyoka, Jugo Nichi, Juroko Nichi, Jushichi Nichi, Juhachi Nichi, Juku Nichi, Hatsuka. Nijuichi Nichi, Nijuni Nichi, Nijusan Nichi, Nijuyoka, Nijugo Nichi, Nijuroko Nichi, Niju Shichi Nichi, Niju Hachi Nichi, Nijuku Nichi, Sanju Nichi, Sanju Ichi Nichi. Perfect!